Welcome back to a new price prediction, price analysis video on SLP. We'll be taking a look at some of its recent highs and lows, some of its bearish and bullish momentum that we see currently in the 30 minutes and 1 hour, and where I see a price hopefully heading to in the future. We want to see some bullish momentum, but as you know, with everything going on, we could be seeing some bearish momentum for quite some time. So let's take a look at some of the recent things that are happening with SLP. I'll be strictly talking about just its price action because there's a lot of things happening outside of its price action, but we just want to solely focus on what's going on, okay? So we can see that we're up 2% for the day, which is amazing because as you know, Bitcoin has been down, and most of the times the altcoins and projects follow Bitcoin, but in this case, thankfully, this is not the case, okay? But if we take a look at the 1 hour and then I'll go down to lower time frames, we can see that I made a video before that since there's gaps here, we saw that there was big gaps here and it needed to be filled, okay? And as you can see, there right here, we created a big support level at the 0.019, okay? Price has respected these levels, and we also created a double top here at the 0.022. So this is where price is currently being in the range of market right now. As you can see from the last day or two, we can see that we have been in this range of market now in since a support level of about 0.018. Okay, so keep that in mind that price is relatively in this zone. We can see that the latest high here was about 0.02, which could be an also order block and another gap to be filled. So just keep that in mind. If you are looking to take into a look for SLP and you wanted to get into the project, just keep that in mind, okay? Because we can also see that we are also in an uptrend, as we can see here. If we do zoom in, and we can see that we are currently ranging in about 0.020, but keep in mind that we are going to the oversold levels at the RSI, and we can see that volume is also decreasing. So this is kind of a bad sign, since we also see that there's resistance here at 0.02, and I think price will continue this uptrend for quite some time until we get more oversold at the RSI and react back to these resistance level at about 0.020. So just keep that in mind because price can rally up for a little bit now for in the 1 hour, and then come back to these prices here before doing the same thing that happened, which we could take a look here at about these levels here of 0.022. As you can see, price wick up, down, and then wick back up to get the people who sold, the investors who sold here at about 0.022. So keep in mind that that can happen also here again, because we saw that there is a big bullish momentum here and a big gap that might be filled here as well. So price might get back here up there in the short term before sealing this uptrend here being broken. And if we do see this uptrend being broken at these levels here, then price will more than likely come back to these levels here. So it will create a resistance at these levels instead of being in the uptrend, and then we'll see price continue its rally back down to the premium levels here, which is about 0.019. Keep in mind we're also about to be crossing in the MACD, so this is another reversal, which indicates that something is going to happen. A lot of volume is going to come in the next few days, hopefully. But I do see price connecting and the MACD connecting as well once we do reach these levels of 0.021. If we don't see these levels being reached, then I do see price going back down and breaking this uptrend here at about these levels here, 0.02. But price has been respecting these levels here, so I do see price, if it drops down in the short term, then this is the premium level that I see here, okay? Also in the 30 minutes, it's better look, okay? So if we take a look at the 30 minutes, we can see the support levels in a better way, okay? So we know that these support levels here are very good, okay? So they're good prices here at about 0.019. Because if you zoom out, look how many times price respected this level, okay? We have here once, twice, 3 times, and then also a 4th and a 5th time, okay? So price here at these discounted prices are a very good place to load up on SLP if price ever comes back down. I do believe price might come back down, but there's also a big gap here at 0.021, which price can retrace back here, But also, I do believe if we break this uptrend here, we will be seeing a momentum down to about 0.019. Alright guys, that's just a quick update for SLP. I do hope SLP continues in the next few days, but just have that in your mind that price can pull back a little bit in the next few days as well. So I hope you like this analysis, and stay blessed, and take care, and see you on the next one.